Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel You Learn and I am Sir Yuli. I'm here to help you solving math problems. So in this video, I am going to talk about variations. So meron tayong apat na klase ng variation. We have direct, inverse, joint, at saka combined variation. So first, let's discuss about direct variation. So what is direct variation? So we have this definition. For two quantities x and y, if x increases or decreases, the other quantity y also increases or decreases. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung quantity x tumataas, tumataas rin yung quantity y. Kapag bumababa yung x or yung quantity x, bumababa rin yung quantity y. So, this is what we call direct variation. So, halimbawa, we have distance in kilometer and time of flight. Okay, kapag meron kang we have the distance of 160, you can travel that only in 20 minutes. Kapag 320, you can travel that within 40 minutes. 400, 50 minutes. 560, 70 minutes. Okay? As the distance increases, also the time of flight also increases. So this is direct variation. Another example, we have the diameter and the circumference. Okay, we have 2 meter na diameter. We have 6.28 circumference. Kapag 3, we have 9.42. 4, 12.56. Kapag 5, 15.70. If you notice, lumalaki yung diameter, lumalaki rin yung circumference. So, this is direct variation. Okay, next. So, there are statements na ginagamit to express or to show direct variation. So, ito yung mga ginagamit. We have y varies directly as x. Y varies directly proportional to x. Y is proportional to x. So, if you encounter these words or these phrases, ibig sabihin, this is direct variation. Okay? So, we have the equation for direct variation. It is written as y equals kx. So, ito yung equation ng direct variation. Okay, where k is the constant of variation. Yung k is the constant of variation. It is the rate of change. Okay, tinatawag rin siyang variation constant, or proportionality constant, or constant of proportionality. Okay, so paano ba natin, sige, ito muna. So, let's have this one. Let's try to answer the following. Express each statement as an equation using k as the constant of variation. Okay, the constant of variation. So, we need to express raw yung statement. Let's have number 1. The number of computers built N varies directly as the production line's number of operating hours T. So, paano natin isusulat? Okay, N varies directly. So, write N varies directly. Isulat mo yung K. Tapos, as the production line's number of operating hours in T. Okay, so we have this equation. N is equals to KT. So, this is now the equation of the expression or the statement. Okay, number 2, the area A of an equilateral triangle varies directly as the square of the side S. Just write A equals K square of the sides, that is S squared. So we have now this equation, A is equals to KS squared. Ganun lang ka-simple yung direct variation. Last number, we have the pressure of gas P varies directly as the temperature T. So, write that one, P equals KT. Ganun lang ka-simple yung direct variation. Okay? Next, let's have these examples. Okay? Find the constant of variation and the equation of variation given that y varies directly as x. So ano raw, hanapin natin yung value ng constant of variation and the equation of variation. So paano ba natin makukuha yung constant of variation? We have the equation k equals y over x. So ito yung gagamitin natin to solve the constant of variation. So, paano ba na-derive yung constant of variation? Di ba meron tayong equation na y is equals to kx. Okay? Solve for k. So, we need to isolate k and we need to divide both sides by x para k na lang yung maiiwan. So, makakancel ito. So, we have y over x equals k. Or you can baliktarin mo. We have k is equals to y over x. Okay, so that's why naging ganito yung ating equation. Okay, let's have this example. If y is 8 and when x is equals to 2, what is the constant of variation and what is the equation of variation? So first, solve for k. Isulat mo yung equation ng k or the formula y over x. And simply substitute the value of y, and the value of x. Y is 8 and x is 2. So we have 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have the constant of variation of 4. And after that, find the equation of variation. O paano ba isusulat yung equation of variation? Just simply substitute the value of k sa equation na y is equals to kx, y is equals to 4x. So this is now our equation of variation. Ganun lang po kasimple. Okay, just simply substitute the values of the given of y and the x, substitute that in k, and after that, if nakuha mo na yung constant of variation, just substitute that in the equation, and you have the equation of variation. Okay? How about how to solve problems involving direct variation? Okay, or problems involving direct variation. Okay, paano ba mag-solve? Okay, let's have example. Okay, we have here, most pets age at a different rate than their human companions. For example, a 3-year-old dog is often considered to be 21 in human years. So what is the age of a 7-year-old dog in human years? So wala tayong given na mga variables, di ba? So first, let's represent muna nung mga quantity. So let x be the age of dog, and let y human equivalent age ng aso. Human equivalent age. Okay? Ng aso. Okay, so let's have the equation. So first write the equation. Okay? We have y is equals to kx. Okay, first, may given tayo. Yung yung age ng dog is in 3, and that is equal to human age of 21. Okay, so we have the given. So we can solve now for the k, or the constant of variation. So k is equals to y over x. Tama? So k, just substitute the values. So we have y equals 21, and we have the x of 3. So k is equals to 7. So we have the constant of variation of 7. And after that, substitute that in our equation. So y is equals to 7x. Okay, we have now this constant equation of variation. So, yung question is, what is the age of a 7-year-old dog in human years? Okay, so we have the value of 7-year-old dog. Diba yung dog natin is X? So, papalitan natin yung X ng 7-year-old or 7. So, Y equals 7 times 7. So, Y is equals to 49. Okay, so this is the equivalent age of dog in human age. Okay, kapag 7-year-old yung dog, equivalent yan sa human is 49 years old. Okay, so this is now the answer. Okay, ganun lang po. Let's have another example. Let's try this one. Okay, Joy is traveling by car and the distance d she travels varies directly with the amount time t that she drives. In 3 hours, she drove 120 miles. Find the time it will take her to cover 180 miles. Okay. Joy is traveling by car. Distance d, okay, varies directly with the amount of time t. Okay, so let's write first the equation. We have the d varies directly sa t, di ba? So this is our equation. So, in 3 hours, she drove 120 miles. 3 hours is the time, so we have the given. We have the given 3 hours, that is the time. And we have she drove 120 miles, that is our distance. 120 miles, tama? So, meron tayong t at saka d. So, we can solve for the constant of variation. O, solve muna natin yung constant of variation. So, paano ba ma-solve yung constant of variation? T is equals to kt. So, we need to isolate the k. So, we need to divide both sides by t. So, we have now the d over t is equals to k, or k is equals to t over t. Sorry. Okay, we have this one. Okay, we can now solve for the k. So, just substitute the values of t and at yung t. Okay, we have the k equals, our d is 120 at yung t natin is 3. So, you have k is equals to 40. Tama ba? Okay, we have 40 yung ating constant of variation. And after that, you need to substitute that sa ating equation. Okay, we have now d is equals to 40t. This is now our new equation. So, the question is, find the time it will take her to cover 180 miles. So, yung tinatanong is yung time. Find the time. So, ito yung time natin. So, 180 miles. So, this is our d. So, papalitan natin yung d ng 180 miles equals 40t. Okay? Find the time it will take her to cover 180 miles. Okay, that is t. Okay? So, paano natin isosolve yung time? Just divide both sides by 40 para matanggal yung 40. Makakancel na yung 40. Maiiwan yung t. Tama? So, 180 divided by 40 is ilan? Makakancel yung 0. So, you have 18 divided by 4. So, what is 18 divided by 4? We have 4, we have 16, and we have 2. Okay, we have 20, we have 5, and we have that one. Sorry, walang x. So, we have 4.5, or time is 4.5 hours. Okay? So, na-solve natin yung time, okay, by this process. So this is how to solve problems involving direct variation. So that's all for this video, and see you in my next video. So please like, share, and subscribe po sa aking channel for more videos to come. And God bless everyone. This is Sir Yuli at your service.